been told, you're wrong. How did you feel about that? Probably not too good. And guess what? When we say those words to other people, they don't feel too good either. So in business, we can have differences of opinion and approaches, of course, across a range of subjects. Never say to the other person, you're wrong. Even if you think they're wrong, it may just be they have a different set of information, different viewpoint, different experience, different way of articulating what they're thinking. Find a way of having a debate or having some discussion around possibilities without making a judgment, without evaluating what they're saying by telling them, you're wrong. All you'll get is resistance. You'll create an enemy, probably for life, and it doesn't advance the company, it doesn't advance you. Find ways of getting around disagreements without going after the person and making them feel belittled, insulted, put down. How on earth are you going to build a relationship if you treat people like that? Don't go there with, you're wrong. Take that out of your vocabulary.